Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Check that a recent backup exists and that the target disk shows at least 10% free space. Once done, sign in with admin credentials and enable the snapshot channel you need, beta or stable, so you get the updated build. Make sure to export your current config as JSON or YAML. This prevents divergence. Now start the snapshot creation tool, choose the target partition, and initiate the first capture so the process can record baseline state. You continue by picking incremental or full snapshot depending on how much changed. Incremental saves time, while full ensures completeness. Then watch transfer rates and I/O. If system load exceeds 70%, throttle or pause heavy services to avoid corruption. Next, generate and verify checksums. Use SHA-256 to ensure integrity while data copies. Also log metadata, timestamps, version ID, and source paths so you can trace what went into the snapshot. This reduces rollback risk. You finish by committing the snapshot and tagging it with version, date, and concise notes so colleagues understand the change. Then perform a quick restore to a staging environment to validate integrity and boot behavior before touching production. If anything goes wrong, check logs for I/O errors and confirm permissions on source and target. Common issues are temp directory exhaustion or locked files. If necessary, clear temp space, correct permission bits, and retry the snapshot creation. This resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.